Welcome to the next video. In this video I'm going to teach you how to use the add bar in WP Tube Ninja. As you can see, we have the add bar stats here at the top, and as of right now we don't have any impressions or clicks. By default the add bar is turned off. So in order to use the add bar you need to check this box. Next, if you want to do A/B testing, you want to go ahead and check this box. So let's go ahead and do that. And for those of you who don't know what this means that you can actually create two different versions of the add bar and it will automatically rotate them evenly. Then up here at the top you'll see the impressions and the clicks along with the click-through rate for each version. That way you can figure out what gets the most clicks and has the highest click-through rate, and then you can turn off the other version and simply use the best one. Let's go ahead and scroll down. So here are the settings for version A, and you can see we have a font, a size, text color, background color, border color, and then we have message, link text, link URL, link background color, and link text color. Quite a few options, but for the most part you won't probably need to change too many. If you do want to change the background color or the border color or the link background color, all you need to do is click in the box. This will pop up and you can either manually enter a hex code here, or you can just click one of these colors anywhere in here and it will update. Then you would go ahead and close this out. I'm actually just going to use the default colors though. It looks good with the template. So the next thing we need to do is enter a message here, and I'm going to go ahead and say would you like to save 50% on gold? Next, the link text, I'm just going to put click here, and the link URL. Now for this you could put a link to any website, or you could link to an internal page on your blog. A good thing to do is sign up for an affiliate program and then put an affiliate link in here. I'm just going to put gold.com for now, and then I'm going to go down here to the version B settings. Let me just copy this. Gonna go ahead and use the same. Click here and just gonna send it to gold.com. Now this message said, would you like to save 50% on gold? Let's go ahead and try a slightly different variation here for the test. Going to put limited sale, save 50% on gold today. And again, you can change any of these colors if you'd like. Just click on them and either enter the hex code or choose a code from the color wheel. Then you just close it by clicking X and it will update. Gonna go ahead and save the changes. Okay, so you can see that everything is saved. And let's go ahead and take a look at this on the site. And here's our add bar. Unfortunately, some of the site is cut off over here. Actually, let me go ahead and reduce this slightly. Okay, so you can see the add bar up here at the top, and every time we refresh it's going to display another version, or if you go to any post it's going to keep rotating those. And let's go ahead and click this one just to show you how that works. It's going to redirect to gold.com since that's the URL that we used. Now let me go ahead and hit the back button and head back to the dashboard. Once you log back into the dashboard, you want to scroll down and select WP Tube Ninja. Now you can see we have a little bit of data here. Version A had 3 impressions with 1 click, so a super high click-through rate. You typically won't see rates nearly as high as this. Once you start getting a lot of traffic to your blogs, the rates will be much lower. But nonetheless, by testing 2 different versions, you'll be able to find out what gets the best clicks and the click-through rate, which is ultimately going to make you more money. Anyways, version B, as you can see, it had 2 impressions, 0 clicks, and there's no click-through rate at this time. And that's really all there is to it. It's very simple to use. Again, if you don't want to get in here and tweak around all the other settings, you don't have to. I personally use most of the default settings. The font size is perfect. The fonts are perfect as well, and all of the colors I personally like, so I don't change any of that. If you decide you want to disable A/B testing, you can turn that off. If you want to turn off the ad bar, if you decide you don't want that on your blog, it's simply a matter of selecting that. You can save the changes and it will update. All of your data will still be here. After you've done a split test, if you decide to do another split test, or if you're not going to use this feature, what you want to do is just click Reset Stats, and there you go. Everything is set back to 0. Now you can start another test or do whatever you'd like. Again, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.